This tool will cover the utility parameter concatenator. The parameter concatenator utility lets you put multiple parameter values together to make a single parameter value. This enables you to assemble multiple parameter values into a single text parameter using a custom expression. From the Imagine It tab, Imagine It Utilities panel, pick on the tool called Concatenator. This will open up a dialog box. In here, you'll see an area called Elements to Update. From here, choose a category and element type. The category list drop-down, I'm going to go ahead and choose Furniture for this. Then you have a choice of an element type, whether they be instance or type. I'm going to choose type. Then you'll see the next area called Parameter Info. I'm going to come in here and choose, for example, Manufacturer. Then I have a list of available parameters to choose from. I'm going to choose Manufacturer and pick on Add. Notice how my expression now starts filling out. I'm going to put a dash in and say I come in here and choose my type mark. I'm going to add that. And I'm also going to choose type name, and I'll add that. I'm going to go ahead and choose Preview, which then opens up my Preview dialog box to see what I've changed. Then I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and click OK again. A message pops up that says it's completed, updated 13 elements. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now when I pick on this piece of furniture and properties, pick on edit type, notice under manufacturer, you'll see the manufacturer name, the type mark name, and the type name. Go ahead and click OK.